Dental Trx software presents Treatment Plan Generator. This demonstration highlights the speed and simplicity offered by a unique and innovative software program. Using an easy-to-learn interface, this utility is available for both Macs and PCs and allows any dentist to save time and improve the quality of their patient communication methods. Treatment Plan Generator permits the creation of complex treatment plans and treatment plan options with a great time savings for the dentist. For this demonstration, we will generate a treatment plan for a typical patient. Also, let's assume for this demonstration that the basic patient information has already been entered. After reviewing the patient's examination and diagnostic information, we have identified these typical clinical issues. All third molars are missing. Caries has been detected on tooth numbers 5, 11, and 21. Tooth numbers 15 and 19 have been deemed hopeless. The patient's chief complaint was that he had a toothache on the lower left. The perio assessment reveals 20 to 30% bone loss generally throughout the patient's mouth. Inflammation is moderate, plaque is moderate, supragingival calculus is heavy, subgingival calculus is light. The periodontal diagnosis is moderate generalized periodontitis. Begin by selecting the patient from the control panel and creating a new treatment plan. It's named automatically, so we'll go to the exam findings page. Begin by selecting the missing teeth. The caries or fractured teeth are indicated next, and then we identify any teeth that are abscessed or deemed hopeless. We want to enter a chief complaint according to the basic rules of the program, typing in lowercase so that it will appear correctly in the narrative report. All of the normal intraoral and extraoral findings are okay. The prognosis is good, and we've identified a treatment time estimate of 3 months. Now the perio page, we select the appropriate aspects of this patient's periodontal information by selecting buttons. We identify the periodontal diagnosis, and then we decide what treatment. In this case, 6 treatments of periodontal scaling and root planing. Next, we're going to navigate to the oral surgery page to treatment plan any teeth requiring extraction or other surgical procedures. We identify the 2 teeth for extraction. Selection of the separating lines button is useful to demarcate or identify different parts of the treatment plan. You select the tooth, the surfaces that are involved, and then select your appropriate restorative material. Another separating line, and now we'll treatment plan a fixed bridge on the lower left. Number 18 is a retainer, and the crown tracking system now wants to know exactly why we're replacing this crown. In this case, it's an elective decision to replace the missing tooth that we've just extracted. We identify the pontic. It's an elective decision in the crown tracking system, and tooth number 20 becomes the other retainer. And we're also identifying this as an elective choice. This is the basic treatment plan. One more thing to do is to identify the focus. The focus allows us to offer information of explanation to the patient. And now we look at the treatment plan. This is what the printed treatment plan will look like. Let's take a look at the preview narrative. The narrative report offers explanatory information, clinical problems, prognosis, chief complaint, all of the treatment considerations that need to be conveyed to this patient. This sample treatment plan was defined and generated in just over 3 minutes.